also guys, here the name is a Hermana Resort. Here in Ipilan, Brookspen, Palawan. They have also a swimming pool. There is a playground. This is the caretaker of this resort. If you want to have a meeting also, here you see the area. So, and we are going to make, we have a fresh fish. And now my brother Aris in Bayaw Musad, they will prepare to grill the fish. The dog is waiting for the bones. They also have a water here.
Yeah.
So
nice.
like this.
You need to clean the fish first.
Normally the fish is already clean, just
Yeah.
little wash.
Yeah, we're watching.
And to prepare this first, the charcoal.
Yeah. I will watching this. I will cutting this fish first.
Yeah. Okay, this is Bayaw. Okay, Bayaw will make a grill. This is a charcoal we need. Ganyan ba?
Lag-lag mo yun.
Okay.
Para bilis naman ka na.
Okay. So, yan. Starting. Pero kailangan ilagay yung uling sa ilalim.
Oo, mamaya.
Wag mo na isabay-sabay. Baka kung hindi mabuhay siya. Ayan, yan. So, this is starting guys. This is Bayaw. It's smoking already. And then we go to Aris. Then Aris. Alam niya na yan. Aris is slicing the fish. Yan. Okay.
May asin tayong dalayaw?
Yun ang hindi. May asin ba?
Siguro.
Kasi ito kailangan.
Tawagan mo nga. Ay, si Ate Hara walang cellphone. May mga sauce daw doon. Kahit wag mo na lagyan ng asin.
Hindi mas maganda pag tapa. May asin siya.
Palalim gidyaw. Palaliman.
Ipalalim mo pa daw. Para papasok lahat ng ano. Pero may ano tayo. Kahit walang asin, okay lang.
May sauce.
Mayroon na ito siyang ano. Ayan guys.
May marami sa dalagro Kaya tingnan ko muna to.
I-check mo lang kung may asin siya o wala. Yan. We have a 3 fish. This one guys.
We're cutting this.
They will cutting. Ayan, si Brother Aris. So, yan ang buhay dito sa Pilipinas, sa mga taga-abroad. Kapag umuwi ka ng Pilipinas, to make sure, enjoy. Enjoy.
Enjoy your holiday.
Enjoy your holiday. So, eat more fresh fish. Yeah. And because in Germany we don't have a fresh fish. Normally, in Germany always have a frozen fish. So, this is it. Okay. Here also guys, if you want to cook a rice, they have also, wow, this is very nice beach.
They have also a pugon.
This is the name pugon in Tagalog or yeah. So yan. Aris will wash the fish. Also is nice one because they have a water for clean. So I show you later more guys. Thank you for watching. And I will show you more.
Waiting our friends.
Yeah. We still have some friends coming and my cousin also.
Relatives.
Relatives. Yeah, of course. And then later guys, I will show you also around beach. This one you can see from here. This is very
nice.
Very quiet beach. Very quiet. The sea now. Then maybe later I will try to swim. So guys, ito na yung grill fish natin. Yan, nakaano na siya. Ayan na. So, konting pay na lang guys. And later, I will show you again when the fish is ready. So, this is my cousin Jim and Chris.
Okay, you can dance now.
This is our grilled fish. Danson is ready. Okay, this is Sherwin.
Hello. Welcome to the beach. We grilled.
Fish. You continue. You want to make a video? Now we eat now. Let's eat. One, two. Move a little.
Somebody's
Okay.
mask.
Yeah, it's okay. I will not. Okay. One, two, one, two, one, two. 1, 2, 3.
Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na.
Ikaw lang.
Kain mo na daw sa chichirya.
Kain mo na daw siya. On? Good? You can swim? Let's see, it's a dip. Can swim? I mean, it's a dip. Okay.
How much?
I don't have only this. I think it's okay, right?